Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today at the City of Commerce to the Citadel outlets. Shopping!
More shopping. And the tallest Christmas tree in a shopping center.
And it's 20 feet taller than the Rockefeller Center.
Using downtown Los Angeles as a reference point as we normally do, we travel 7 miles to the City of Commerce to visit the Citadel outlets. Not only to shop at the outlet stores, but also to see the largest Christmas tree in a shopping center. For those of you that are not familiar with this area, the Citadel is the closest outlet malls to the Los Angeles area. There is free parking available at the Citadel outlets. The building in the very front of the Citadel are the remains of a tire factory that was originally built in 1929. The tire factory was originally the Sampson Tire and Rubber Company and operated there until 1978. The factory sat alongside the Interstate 5 freeway empty until 1983. In 1983, the City of Commerce bought it for $14 million. In 1990, and the Outlet Center and the Doubletree Hotel were built on the property. The shopping center is now a 700,000 square foot outlet mall, housing more than 130 global brands. At this time, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to our channel.
Got free parking at the Citadel. Free parking. So we got our free parking. Now 503 spaces.
California's tallest Christmas tree at a retail mall is presented by Coach. This tree took 3 weeks to install and decorate.
Giant tree. Very cool. I love the ornaments. See? I love shopping better. Here's Coach. He's walking around. We're at the Citadel, City of Commerce.
The Christmas tree is adorned with over 18,000 LED bulbs, creating a vibrant and captivating display. After the tree was lit, a concert was held for the initial lighting, and Pentatonics was the main performer, singing all of their famous Christmas hits in a free standing room only concert.
Check out those palm trees. It says right there, tallest Christmas tree.
Turn around. Cool. Actually, I think it's more interesting than the Christmas tree is these trees. I think these trees are more interesting.
Yeah, I know. I love it, but go stand there. We have a Tommy Hilfiger Kids, 2 stories. Boy, I remember when a lot of our major department stores were 2 stories. Oh, let's go to the UGG store, honey. Those palm trees are better. Don't you think?
No, it's quiet right here.
Yeah.
Here's the thing.
I love those trees. Let's do that next year.
Well, they're great trees. Retail stores at the Citadel include Coach, Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren, Armani, Guess, Nike, H&M, and many more. Okay, here's the thing. The Rockefeller tree in New York is 20 feet shorter than that.
No way.
Yeah.
Look at, she's doing YouTube right there. Watch. You must not run over.
Yeah.
I like the ribbon coming down. Those are pretty cool.
Yeah, they're awesome. And there's a tree in the back there. The stores at the Citadel are open 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. During the holidays, they're open till 10 p.m. There's a long ways to the tippy top of that, huh?
Yeah, I can't believe it's 20. I can't get enough of the tree. Right there. Oh, yeah.
Big tree.
Doesn't zoom in.
Oh, yeah, but you got everything, see?
Yeah.
That's a cool shot. I gotta cut out all the sound anyway.
I know.
That's what the rule is. This is the front of the outlets. This is what you see from the freeway. It's kind of a cool place.
Yeah, look at these things. You see those? Is that on?
You see that?
Is that on?
Yeah.
Check that out. Amazing work. Look at all this.
She went shopping.
Sorry, couldn't resist the Disney store. They had a lot of cool things in there. They even had SC pajamas from the Santa Claus. I'm so excited.
What are you? 9:30 at night and everybody's still shopping.
Until 10 p.m.
Until 10 p.m.
Look at the parking lot. It's still packed.
Yep. People love the factory outlets. Ice cream, a line for ice cream. Ice cream when it's cold outside. I just love those palm trees. I get such a kick out of them.
Lots of people either shopping or headed back to their cars. Those trees are amazing. Red, green, white. Cool.
It's lovely.
Let's say we are. Oh, no.
You are here.
We're here. Parking structure's there.
Yep.
That means I get to look at us.
That's a lot of stories.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, I can say I came, I looked.
Good. You came, you saw. Good. You came, you saw it, and you headed out the door.
Are you recording me going down the stairs? She went into a store and didn't buy. That sure is pretty. It doesn't cost anything to look.
A two-story Coach store with an escalator. That's a big Coach store.
Oh, see, there's my bag over there. I like the things that match the tree. I found a new friend.
Yeah, at the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory.
Yeah, right there. Look how pretty it's lit up.
Looks like a big package.
It does look like a big package. Look at that. Coming down the freeway is just gorgeous. Citadel Outlets.
If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe.
And ring the notification bell.
And give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.